Yo, my son's engine is fucked up. Nah, you smell this shit? You smell this shit? Nah. Wow. Yeah. His head is fucked up. Wow. It's an engine rebuild. This is crazy. This is fucking crazy. I wish I would have recorded that shit coming out of the pipe like that. Wow. What? This is bad, y'all. This is... Your car should never do this. This is bad. He has oil. He has oil, coolant, everything in his chambers right now. Fuck. This is crazy. I get a ticket for this shit. Yo. Wow. That's fucking sick, son. I don't know if I should move it. I don't know if it's gonna start up again. I just want to leave it on. It got to stay on. Whew. That's sick, though. Wow, this is serious. A 94 Mercury Cougar. Oh man, I did not expect this shit at all. I didn't want to record, but I heard the piston sizzle, man. I heard them shit sizzle. The engine was stuck. And I loosened it. And look where we at right now. The engine is on. It's calming down. The smoke, look. Gotta stay on though, baby. Stay on, baby. You're doing good. You're doing good. Oh, man. There you go. Let that baby out. Let that shit out, man. Woo. Woo. Wow. I amazed myself, bro. That's crazy, son. I told you it was stuck at that one point. So I loosened it enough so I could give a good spin. That's crazy. So one of his pistons is definitely fucked for sure. Wow, man, that's crazy though. That is crazy. I'm happy it's running. Put his battery back in and see what's up. Wow. So you gotta stay on. You gotta stay on for a while though. Oh shit.